Welcome to the video number 4 from the series. Let's dive right in and begin with one crucial element of your funnel template, the funnel styles. This feature is paramount when it comes to the submission requirements and best practices for your template. Funnel styles serve as the core design hub, enabling users to effortlessly modify colors and font styles across your template from one place. This eliminates the need for manual adjustments on each element, ensuring a smooth and efficient customization experience. Keep in mind, when preparing your template for submission, that a well-crafted funnel styles is vital for a seamless user journey. For this template, I have a clear vision of the styles I'll be applying. So, let's jump right in and update these default styles with our chosen look. As you can see, the funnel styles have a specific structure that must be followed. Primary styles cannot be renamed or deleted. You'll notice that the color styles cover everything in your template, from button colors to backgrounds, titles, outlines, dividers, and more. If you're uncertain about how to apply a style within this structure, you can always refer to other templates as a guide. You're free to add colors to your styles as you wish. There are no rules. Just be creative and ensure your choices adhere to design principles like contrast and color balance. You're also free to add new colors to the styles. Just be sure to name them clearly so the template user understands their purpose. So now that I have all my colors set, I'll go on next for font styles. For headings and subheadings, I'll use Montserrat. While the body text will be in DM Sans. I'll also add some font weights to the styles, ranging from regular to medium, semi-bold, and bold. I'll also add some line heights for both body text and headlines. For body text, I'll use 160%. And for headlines, 130%. And that's a wrap on the styles section. In the next video, we'll dive into the building phase, starting with a dropshipping page.